What did you have in your backyard before you had a paver patio?
Before we had this paver patio, we had overgrown shrubs, a dilapidated deck, and it was unsightly, absolutely unsightly. So getting the patio has brought more light into our home, has expanded our living space. Now I have an outdoor dining room, which I don't have inside, so I absolutely love it. And you can't live in South Carolina and Hilton Head and not have a gorgeous patio. So we have a patio party planned this weekend, and we are absolutely thrilled with it. It's exceeded our expectations. So besides being beautiful and adding value to our home, now we can do outdoor entertaining, which we could not do before.
What made you decide to put in pavers?
We wanted something that was low maintenance or no maintenance at all, and that was beautiful.
And how is the process of putting in the pavers as being the homeowner living through the installation?
It really wasn't that bad. They worked very quickly and efficiently. So it was done in I think a week. So it wasn't that bad.
Would you recommend American Paving Design?
Yes. Yes, the communication was excellent. The craftsmanship is excellent, as you can see. We're very pleased with it.
And how do you feel about your new patio? One more time, how does it make you feel when you come out here?
Oh, we absolutely love it.